Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always supporting me in this particular channel. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across this channel or you are seeing my face for the first time, I still remain your one and only Agatha Progress, bringing it to you live and direct. Remember, in this channel, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So just sit back and enjoy this video, and I will be right back.
No way! No way! No way! The women say no way! You can't get here! No access! How many women police go kill? Look at them, they want to get in. No entrance to this National Assembly. They must come back. If anything they happen, make everybody go stay here. They will not say we dey for our side. If we know they run after those vehicles. You know, at times some people don't know how to deal with when something happens suddenly. Please, let's be careful, okay? But clap for yourself. Well done. Great Nigerian women. You know, we almost had an incident day before yesterday. Yes. People were running after vehicles. I see people again try to ban for vehicles. You cannot do that. If you are here, in it's very important. I saw some two little children running after the vehicles. Where did they come from? Please, whoever brought them, take them from this ground. You know, we say people have come here. Some people came here for different reasons. Yes. Some people came here and strong phones, isn't it? Yes. We have people with different reasons. We have been here. This is day 8. We don't want to lose any life. You don't run after people with guns. We ask you, stay behind us. Nobody will come. Yes. Stay behind. Don't move forward. I saw some women, even a woman carrying a baby, running after them. What are you running for? I want that. What are you? What do you want to do? Is somebody hold on for you, waiting for you? Ladies, we need to be responsive, more responsive. We know, we say stand there, nothing will happen. Nobody will come. You know, a lot of them come with so much force. They say, who be these women? Yes. We take our time and we will show them who they are, who we are. Yes. You don't have to struggle. You don't have to run after anybody. Nobody is entering the gate. So respect yourself so that we can avoid the loss of lives. We want to congratulate you. Anything, if we lose a life, there will be problem for us. It's going to be more problems. You can see ordinary phone, I would say ordinary phone. God lost, we didn't have rest of mind until we replace the phones. Because we believe that no sister should live here with bitterness. Yeah. One of our sisters who lost the palm top, we are still looking for her so that we can see a way of compensating to her. But don't run after. You know what people do? Once they see a sign, they tell me, this one I noticed it. We are told, you know, a group came to the gate there, we stopped them. Because this venue, we don't have space for another person, only Nigerian. We go occupy. And when we explain to them, they say they want to enter here, say they want to meet one organ. No one telling them that the organ ain't come now. Say 3 o'clock, we go there, National Assembly. I say, no, be this place, we go enter. We stop them there. It didn't take more than 4 of us to talk to them, and they went back. Where should they go to? They went. Wherever they went to, nobody is going to.
Can the guy do it?
And I told them,
so that we have
no
like
matter who it is, that person will not pass this gate.
Without the
So let's stand together.
logo, so just say for all of us that can.
I
think that's what we should have done.
Thank you for rising up. We see another person again who will rise.
Remember that they sell you the other one and you approved it.
When you hear say
That
people they go
one
for
that
rally,
you did before.
The one they sent me is that green one.
That's
This
what
one
I'm saying. You
now,
shouldn't have approved it.
see the
You should
song
have
when
given
they
us
go
another one
now.
that is fine.
We still stay here. So
You
nobody will
understand?
enter here.
Because we were waiting for you to make the final approval.
Okay, so we need to bring 4 of that. That's
Relax.
okay.
Hey, my wonderful family, this 2023, can you guys see what I am seeing? Don't you think that these are also game plan? A game plan drew by another politician for them to do this? Do you really think that these mothers, they really mean business? If they mean business, anyways, we will get to know more better. So my Kabbalistic people, that bring us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe if you haven't. I still remain your one and only AGATHA Progress, bringing it to you live and direct. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here, I said bye.